Ohcet. Pa naša mojca je čist preblada.
I knew it. I told them there would be a wedding.
A wedding? She's way too young, our Moitza.
Mi to star nič ne vemo, veste.
We old folks don't know anything.
So rekli, da nisem videl, kaj sem videl. Preslabe oči so rekli.
They said that I didn't see what I saw.
Your eyes are too bad, they said.
No, zdaj pa verjamejo, ko bo ohcet.
Well, now they believe.
We're having a wedding! A wedding! Yay! Hooray!
No, pa ni slab fant, ne.
He's not a bad man.
Pa ne mislite, da jo bo dobil kar za ston? To pa ne.
Don't think that he'll get her for free.
Absolutely not.
Veste, mora pokazati, da je sposoben za del doma.
He has to prove that he knows how to work around the house.
Da zna skuhat, če žena zboli.
That he can cook if his wife gets sick.
Ja, seveda, ja. In da ni stisnen za denar.
That is not stingy with money.
Pa nas se ne bo norca delal z našim puncam, ne.
You don't fool around with our girls.
Pa še eno reč vam povem. Kar en velik kup denarja ne prinese.
He better